Today we are going to learn about the kinds of pronouns. But before that, we are going to see what is the means of pronouns. Pronouns means a word which used instead of a noun, which we called a pronoun. There are various types of kinds of pronouns. Which are they? Do you know? There are four types of pronouns. The first one is personal pronouns. Then the second one is relative pronouns. Then third one is interrogative pronouns. And then last fourth is demonstrative pronoun. So let's begin in detail about these kinds of pronoun. The first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun means these pronouns used about personally to a person, which we call personal pronoun. which is used जे प्रोनाउन्स आहेत मनुष्याविषयी पर्सनली वापरली जातात त्यांना प्रोनाउन्स पर्सनल प्रोनाउन्स असं संबोधलं जातं. यू कॅन सी द चार्ट अबाउट द पर्सनल प्रोनाउन्स. देर आर गिवन in the first rows. There are first person. Then you can see the first column. There are first is subjective case. We will call it a nominative case. In nominative case, the first person singular nominative pronouns, which is I. Then in plural form, which is we. यामध्ये सब्जेक्टिव्ह त्याला नॉमिनेटिव्ह केस सुद्धा असं म्हटलं जातं. जे प्रथम पुरुषी आहे सिंग्युलर एकवचनी आय मी, त्यानंतर प्युरल अनेकवचनी आहे वी आम्ही. त्यानंतर देन वी सी द सेकंड पर्सन सब्जेक्टिव्ह नॉमिनेटिव्ह pronouns, which is a singular you, tu, and then plural you, tumhi. This is a subjective nominative second person pronouns. Then third person singular subjective or nominative pronouns is he, she, it. He, to, she, ti, it, to, ti, te. These are the third person singular nominative subjective pronouns. Then the plural pronouns, which is they, te, tya, ti. This is a plural third person nominative subjective case of a pronoun. Then move towards the second column. There are given the objective case. We can say it accusative pronouns. The first person singular accusative objective case of pronouns, which is me, mala. Then plural pronouns, first person accusative plural pronouns, which is us, amala. Then second person accusative singular pronouns, which is you, tula, and plural pronouns you, tumala. Then third person accusative singular pronouns, which is him, tyala, her, tila, it, tyala, tila. And then third person objective accusative pronouns, which is the only one, which is them, tyanna. These are the accusative objective case of pronouns. At last column there are given possessive case, which was possessive case. In possessive there are given in first person singular my, माझा, माझी, माझे, माझ्या. My, it is a first person singular possessive pronouns. Then first person plural possessive pronouns, which is our, आमचा, आमची, आमचे, आमच्या. Then second person singular possessive pronouns, which is your, तुझा, तुझी, तुझे, तुझ्या. This is second person singular possessive case. Then second person plural possessive case, which is a your, तुमचा, तुमची, तुमचे, तुमच्या. This is a second person possessive plural case. Then at last third person singular possessive, which is his, her and its. These are the third person singular possessive case. And at last third person plural case, which is their possessive case in plural form. These are all the personal pronouns which we use to personally on that pronoun. Then move toward the second kinds of pronouns, which is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns means pronouns in the sentence which we use to relate some ongoing before noun, which we called a relative pronouns. Take an example of it. This is the boy who first in the class. This is the boy who first in the class. Here are, this is the boy, boys. This is a noun. Before comes before a who pronoun. And these who pronouns used to indicate about the boys, which was comes before that, which we called a relative pronoun. This is the boy. तो मुलगा आहे ज्याने वर्गामध्ये प्रथम क्रमांक मिळवला. यामध्ये हू जो आहे हे हू रिलेट्स करतं पहिल्या वाक्यामधल्या बॉय संदर्भात, म्हणून हा रिलेटिव्ह प्रोनाउन्स आहे. दॅट इज अ हाऊस विच बिलॉंग्स टू माय फादर. हिअर आर गिवन विच वॉज रिलेट्स टू द हाऊस. So it is a relative pronoun. There are some other relative pronouns in English language. There are that, which, who, whose. We can use these relative pronouns. Then the third kinds of pronouns, which is the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns means pronouns. You remember that pronouns every time in a singular form, but they do different in interrogative. But they were different in interrogative. Every pronouns are a singular form, but in interrogative they do work with different, not only a singular but plural also, which we use it to asking question. So we can say that in interrogative pronouns, pronouns which use it to ask question, which we can say that it is an interrogative pronoun. We can say that, take an example, what is there? What is there? Whose pen is these? Whose pen is these? These are the interrogative pronouns we use here to ask question. Here we used who, whose, whom, what. These are not here in the sentence WH word, but it is a interrogative pronoun which was asked to asking a question. Then at last kinds of pronouns, which is a demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns, a word which nouns which indicate particular things, which we call a demonstrative pronoun. This is my mobile. This is my bag. This is my trees. These are the demonstrative pronouns which indicate a particular things which was belongs to mine. Here are these. These, it is a demonstrating about the things. We can say it a demonstrative pronoun. So At last, in this lesson, we have learned about the pronouns and the kinds of pronouns. There are 4 kinds of pronouns. Is it? The first is personal pronouns. Then second one is relative pronouns. Third one is interrogative pronouns. And the fourth one is demonstrative pronouns. These are the kinds of pronouns in English language. If you like the information, like the video and share to your friends. If you are new on the channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get a new topics. Stay tuned further.